Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to install LUTs for free in Final Cut Pro 10, so let's get started. First you want to go to this website, I'll drop the link in the description. Next you want to click on the Get It Now button and that will add the software we need to your cart. Now click on the cart button and it will ask you to create an account. Just sign up for one and then you will have to accept the conditions and click on checkout. Next, just simply click on the mInstaller button and download the mInstaller. So once the download finishes, click on it and install it on your computer. Once you have it installed, open it up and you will see this. Now the mLUT plugin will show up. Just click on install and there you go. Open up Final Cut Pro 10 and open the effects window. Scroll down, select mLUT and just drag this effect on the clip you want to have a LUT on, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching my video. If it helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.